In this guide, I will show you how to fix Roku TV blinking red light, the causes of the issue, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The main cause of the blinking red light on your Roku TV is a problem with the hardware, specifically a power-related issue. Now, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to resolve the issue. First, unplug and reset your TV. Disconnect your TV from the power supply by unplugging it from the socket. Next, press and hold the TV's power button for a minute. Replug the TV directly into the electricity outlet. Avoid using power strips or surge protectors that may be faulty. Hold the reset button for at least 30 seconds if the issue continues. Locate the reset button at the back of your TV or around the USB port. After resetting, try using the TV for some time. If the red light still blinks, contact a professional for further assistance. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.